Hello, folks. Well, those of us that have big airplanes, and especially if they need a trailer, know it's sometimes a real chore to get ready to go fly, drive there, unload, get set up, put the plane together. So you know what I mean when I say it's nice to fly KISS airplanes. And that means keep it simple, sir, or sweetie. So just wanting to get out and fly in a hurry with no setup, I grabbed these two planes to go fly. The first is my Reaper, not to be confused with the one I lost in the fire. This one actually has elevator and throttle control, but only differential steering. Also note the shots done in slow motion were all done with my DJI Osmo Action 4 cam mounted on my chest. And all the normal speed clips were done by my wife with the iPhone 15, and I definitely want to thank her for doing that. This is the C-17 Globemaster. It has no elevator whatsoever, only goes up and down by full throttle, and left and right is done by differential steering. And for those of you who've ever flown differential steering, and you're flying with both motors wide open, it doesn't steer as good because the motor you want to speed up is already wide open. Can't go any faster. So the opposite motor has to slow down to make the turn. But if you drop the throttle down a little bit and you make the turn, one motor will slow down and the other will speed up, and thus being able to make sharper turns. That's it for today, folks. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, and we'll see you next time. And hey, buy my book. You're really going to like it. I know you will.